Atomic Habits. Author says that a bad plan is better than no plan. See, many times people say कि रे plan man banana is waste of time. Nothing happens as per the plan. Yes, I agree. Nothing. Many times you expect something which was not part of our plan, and then you have to revise your plan. There are many unpleasant surprises when you get started on something. But still, author says a bad plan is better than a no plan. I'll try to explain this through GPS maps. So we all have the GPS maps, Google Maps. Uh, See, I've observed that if I'm driving to an unknown territory with my GPS map on by putting the destination, still when I'm almost closer to the destination, still I sometimes I take the wrong turn. It happens so, right? Many times it must have happened with you also, that even if we have the GPS map is giving us the right thing, still कभी कभी हम मानो वो 400 मीटर पे राइट लेना था और हम थोड़ा उसके पहले वाला राइट लेते because no, it is an animated map. But does that mean that we should stop using Google Map? It is still better than not having GPS map, right? That's exactly the message the author is trying to give, that a bad plan is better than no plan. It's not necessary that you have to take each and every turn that you're expected to take. You might take some wrong turns. Okay, and then probably I was expected to take the second right, but I took the first right, and my estimated arrival time was 15 minutes, which got extended to 20 minutes. Fine, I reached the destination 5 minutes late. Still, it is better than not having the GPS map at all. So a plan is something in which you don't need to know all the rights and lefts till the destination. Okay, it's okay if some of the rights and lefts go wrong, but it is very important to know the ultimate destination, where you want to go. You need to have the picture of the ultimate goal, and then you can. There should be lots of room for error in your plan. Lots of room for error. Okay, so that room for error should also be part of the plan. So the goal of making a plan is to have clarity about the destination, but not to get the details of all the rights and lefts to reach the goal. That's okay. You can go wrong many times. Yeah, but still, a bad plan is better than no plan. Wow. And this is applicable to everywhere. Somebody wants to lose weight, get into shape, and they keep searching for the best diet plan in the world. No, just get started with some mediocre plan and stick to it. That is more important than wasting time and doing nothing but researching the best diet plan and the best fitness regime.